Hello there traders, good and welcome back again to this very channel. In today's video guys, I'll be breaking down some pairs I took with my VIP members guys on our inner circle. We traded ADJPY, NZDJPY and ADUSD. So I'll be breaking down these three pairs, the main reason why we executed this trade, and my own point of view, perspective, the reason why I sent the signal, and my simple analysis guys. And if you can look on your screen, you can see the before and after screenshot. As I'll be breaking down this pair, I'll also be showing you guys what the before and after screenshot. So it shouldn't be or look as if I'm just pulling your legs or kidding you guys. You get the concept. So you can see on my screen, I'm showing you guys my analysis and everything. I'm glad I took record of it. It's very good to take note of your analysis before you execute and after analysis to see and track your process and know what was the result. You get the concept. So on ADS, it's very simple analysis, no nothing, just straightforward. You get the concept. I saw this trend, this bearish trend. You get the concept. This big move to the upside. So at this point in time now, ADS didn't get to this point. I was doing what it was forming some kind of chart pattern around here. You get ADSD was forming some chart pattern around here. Actually, I don't normally use chart pattern in trade, exception of the double tops and bottom scenario. If you are my student on the inner circle, you know what I'm talking about, guys. We only use the double tops and bottom to do what to execute our trade and to catch that reversals. And also, we have so many entry and exit strategy. You get the concept. So at this point in time, I used our strategy. You get the strategy I've been teaching you guys. Trend line third touch. Okay, I drew my trend line like so. You get, I drew my trend line like so, and here was what? Here was our first touch. You get, here was our first touch. Here was our second touch. You get the concept. Here was our second touch, and here was our third touch. Here was our third touch. Alright guys, before I continue with this video, if you are new to the channel hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to the first. This is a channel upload first educational videos, and also we upload no deposit bonus videos, how to get free profits. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified by it whenever I announce one video like this shop guys. And don't forget to join our official telegram channel because I do drop free signal for you guys to trade your profits account, personal account, and any other account. You get the concept. You can test my signal demo to know the accuracy before trading it in your live account guys. You get the concept. So we have our first touch, second touch, and what third touch there. So I'll just remove this since we already used it to indicate our touches. So also we had this counter trend line around here. We had this counter trend line around here. So I'll just bring this back a little bit. So at this point in time, I noticed that okay, with the help of DXY, I know that ADSD will be what push down. If you haven't watched our analysis on DXY, check this video at the card there. Go watch that analysis where I broke down DXY. I told you guys the next movement of DXY, and DXY respected our analysis and went in our favor, blow up. I said in the video, guys. So go check this video out to know the analysis I made in there. You get the concept. So at this point in time, I say cool, and we have what we have our first touch, second touch, third touch, and also this third touch is serving as some kind of what a double top. You get the concept with this and this. Okay, now if I should draw this pattern here, you know what? You know that okay, this pattern is some kind of a double top pattern. We have our first side, we have our neckline, and we have this one. And I know that okay, at this point in time, since we are testing a trend line third touch, there must be a push to the downside, like so. You get the concept. And if you notice, ADS they push down massively. So our entry was somewhere around here. I think somewhere around here, like so. I can't really remember, but you can see it on the before and after analysis. And the stop loss was above this point, so we just target somewhere around here. You get the concept. Just target somewhere around here, and ADS is smash at TP. So you can see it's just a simple analysis, guys. If you look on my chart, no indicator, no nothing, no this, just my trend line, just two lines on my chart. You get to. It's not all about you plotting this, plotting that. Just keep your chart simple and straightforward. You get. Don't confuse yourself trying to draw this, draw that, else you will get analysis paralysis. You get the concept. So this is for AUD So let's move on to AUD Alright, perfect. On AUD we use what our highs and lows strategy. Get the concept. So I know this market is not systematic, guys. I know so many gurus have been saying stick to one strategy, stick to this, stick to that. Yes, it's very okay to stick to one strategy, guys, but it came to a point where I now discovered that okay, now if I'm sticking to one strategy, it will take me weeks for the market to play in my setup, to give me that particular setup. You get the concept? And I'm more of a day trader. I don't want to be waiting for weeks before taking one particular setup. Now, and I came up with another strategy. I look it on my chart. I notice what the market like always do, the kind of movement the market always prints. You get the concept? Those kind of movement have to catch reversals. So we have our trend line tech touch on our VIP. We trade our trend line tech touch. I'm just giving you guys the expo. We have our highs and low strategy and our trend following strategy where we get our 1, 2, 3 move. And this strategy are mind blowing. You get the concept? These strategies are mind blowing. You get the concept? So once we open our chart, we either look for one of the 3 strategies. You get the concept? If the market is not giving us our trend line tech touch, it will give us a high and low strategy. If it not give us a high and low strategy, it will give us what? Our trend following strategy. You get the concept? So I've only showed you guys our trend following strategy where we do what? We get our 1, 2, 3 move to the upside, and we plot our zone. Where we plot our zone here, because if price come back, there's a high probability that price get to this zone, it will do what? It will blow to the upside. You get? It will blow to the upside. So the trend line tech touch strategy is self-explanatory. You get, you know that one. So for this strategy here, the main reason why I took this trade, you can check your screen to see the analysis. Yeah, the main reason why I took this trade was because of here. You get, was because of here. First, the market printed what? The market printed first high here, came back and start pulling back. Say okay, no problem. At this point, I just have to set my trap here, and I plotted this zone like so. You get? I plotted this zone like so. You get the concept? And what? I drew my trend line from here. You get? I can't really remember, but I'm in track. You get the concept? You can check the screen to know it. You get to know what I'm trying to talk about. You can check the screen. So I drew this trend line like so. This was a counter trend line. You get the concept? This was a counter. Okay, I now formed this one for it to be what? As a channel. You get the concept? For it to be as a channel. So here, this was what? This was a counter trend line. This was the only reason why, like, I was kind of skeptical that price may get to this counter trend line and maybe continue the uptrend. But I trust my analysis. You get the concept? And I told my VIP members, once price get to this trend line, secure your profit, move your stop loss to break even, secure your profit, and let's wait for the reaction of price at this zone. And price get to this zone, just like you already saved, you're already in massive profit. You get the concept? So price finally broke out of the zone. You get the concept? So here, as price gets to this zone, it gave us what? A double top and also form, I think, is it a morning star, evening star pattern around here, and boom to the downside. You get the concept? So our entry was somewhere around here. I think our entry was somewhere around here, like so. You get? And our stop loss was above this zone, and our target, I think, somewhere around here. You get? Somewhere around there. And price just pushed down, smash our TP, boom to the upside. I noticed what? There's a demand zone around here. You get the concept? There's a demand zone around here. So price just came back, tap on the demand zone, and blow up. You get? So our next trade was NZDJPY. NZDJPY. Okay, perfect. NZDJPY. So our next trade was NZDJPY, and this NZDJPY, like I was having what? My trend line tech touch here. You get? My first touch was here. My second touch was here. So I was expecting the market to come here and maybe give us our third touch, bounce to the upside. But I think our TP was somewhere around here. Our TP was somewhere around here at what? At our third touch. Because here you notice that there's a trend line there, so the market might decide to do what? To reject from that zone. So here it's very easy. Still use our highs and lows strategy. Get the concept from here, highs and low strategy. So price came back to retest our previous high, get, and I drew this trend line here. The main reason why I took this trade was because of the break of this trend line. You get the concept? It was because of the break of this trend line, and this is on our 4-hour. So once we get to a breakout from the 4-hour, you know that okay, this is not a fake out, this is a proper breakout. So I think we had something like so. And what happened? I sent the signal somewhere around here, I think, and our stop loss was above this zone, and our target was here at our trend line tech touch. So the market just consolidated a little bit here, just small, and boom, massive drop to the downside, smash our TP in less than no time, gave us 453 pips. You get the concept. So this is just my simple analysis. You get, I don't complicate things. I just use what I'm seeing. You get, I'm not trying to buy if I'm getting a sell signal. I'm not trying to sell if I'm getting a buy signal. You notice what this market was in a very bullish movement. You get from here, very bullish movement. But I caught this reversal. You get the concept. Why? Because the market gave me what I'm looking for, and also I believe and trusted in my analysis. So like I showed you guys the before and after screenshot to know that I'm not faking anything here. I'm for real, guys. You get, I'm just trying to be transparent to you guys. Or I can't come here and start showing you guys stuff on my chart that I didn't took the trade, blah blah blah, all this kind of stuff. No, that's garbage. You get the concept. So you can see my before and after screenshot. I'm not kidding you. Thank you very much. You made it up to this very video. I do really appreciate. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified by it whenever I announce something next video. Peace and see you in the next video. Make sure you join our Telegram channel. I also drop basic plans for you guys there so you can check and do what, make massive amount of profit with me. You get the concept. Thank you. Subscribe, like this video to bring out to others. Peace and see you in the next video. Love you all.